Hello, my name is Haley, and today I will be teaching you how to do calligraphy. These are the 4 different brush pens that I'm going to be using today, and they all come in different nib sizes. You can find them all at Oomomo. Here I'm showing you the different downstrokes and upstrokes. First, I'm going to show you the basics for learning calligraphy. When doing the downstrokes, you should add more pressure, and when you do the upstrokes, you should apply less pressure. Here I'm showing you cursive because you should learn cursive before calligraphy as it's like the base. I'm first writing hello in cursive and then in calligraphy. The difference between the two is that the calligraphy has the downstrokes and the upstrokes, but the actual letters are the same. Here are some different ways to write a letter. After you learn the basics of calligraphy, you can start experimenting. Of course, these are not all the ways that you can write a letter. I'm just highlighting the ones that I tend to alternate in between. Even if you don't have a brush pen, you can still do faux calligraphy. Just add more line thickness to the downstrokes by adding another line and coloring it in. When I first started calligraphy, these were the letters that I found the hardest to write. The key is to make the curve really big and round. Something else that could help is to use a bigger brush pen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.